welcome to probably one of the last videos of 2019 of YouTube videos. We're going to do a video on a product called Perfect Fit blind, basically from Blinds to Go. When the blinds arrive, they're on the door at the moment, but I'll go through them in a minute. They come well packaged, very comprehensive instructions and really simple to put together. In fact, the only thing you need to put them together is one of these and your reading glasses and discrete instructions. I just need to get something, 1 minute. If you go look at the quality of those.
Yeah, so they have a nice frame. It all clicks together. And we'll explain a little bit more about that in a few seconds.
So literally, these blinds clip onto the window. You can see one of the functions already, and they clip onto the window with these little brackets here. We're putting these on patio doors, and they've got one up there, one there, and one in each corner at the bottom. When you put these, if you come here with this one, you can probably see it. This one here. All you do is you push it in the rubber, literally there, and then you clip on. When you do in the top, you put this at the top of the window and push it and clip it, and then you get the whole frame, just clip it onto it. What I'd suggest is when you're putting these in, just put a bit of washing up liquid on the bit that pushes in. If they don't quite fit when you've got them behind the black rubber, if you've got a bit of washing up liquid on them, you can slide them up and down. And literally it's 4 screws, 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top, 2 on each side, just go together. So what's so good about them? Well, they're out of the way. When you're at the door, you can have obviously one blind drawn on one window or another window. We went for patio doors. With this company you can have, I don't know if this is the correct term for them, you can tell them what side you want the twizzle sticks on, etc. So sliding up, got a little thing there that's provided it to the bottom and go all the way down. To be honest, we've got blinds and other windows, and had I found these first, we probably would have fitted these on all the windows, and probably will, because you can dictate for each window what you want them on. Quality wise, 10 out of 10 for sure. Ease of fit, real easy fit, anybody can do them. An interesting thing with this is that, we're just going to add this, is that we've got one of these patio door locks on, so can you put these on with a patio door lock? Just to show that you can, yeah, it will fit and it will hang across, so it's not a problem fitting on at night. Yeah,
okay. Yeah, that's quite a good.
I should have done that first.
Yeah,
Me being lazy, because there's a lot of people with these patio door locks, so that's it on with the blinds on, so it's not a problem hitting the blind or anything like that. Even coming up, it's fine. So if you've got a patio door lock, it's just something I didn't see on their website. Perhaps it's not been asked before, I don't know. Come in a range of colours. We've got a white ivory here. There's not a lot more that I can say about them apart from just repeating stuff and saying they're excellent quality. Really easy to fit. You need a posi head screwdriver and a credit card size card. I think it's 85 by 55, but the instructions are so simple. What to do: pulling your blinds out, just lay them flat on the floor. That's the clips I was talking about. How to position your brackets is showing the plastic card there. Pushing it in, really easy. Like I say, this has got patio doors has got one in the middle of these brackets. Position it approximately, measure it, but if you then just hold your thing up, you can move it up and down. Just put a bit of rust liquid in that seal, that's all. Anyway, I hope this is of use to somebody if they're thinking of ordering perfect blinds from Blinds to Go. First time we've ordered off them, we just thought we'd share this with you on Boxing Day. It might be of use to you when making a decision what sort of blinds you're going to buy for your property. Okay, thank you.